Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now, I am getting ready to do an empty apartment tour. I am moving, so I'm moving to a new place. This is a new building, so I'm gonna be the first one to live here, and I'm very excited because my last apartment, it was nice and all, but like, oh, it was a mess when I first moved in, and the finishes were so out of date. So this is a brand new apartment built this year in February. Ooh, so I can't wait to show you guys. Keep on watching. Oh, and by the way, I just got out of work, so this is probably gonna be the craziest that I look. Guys, so this is the front entrance. When you walk into the apartment, this is the view you see. So let's see if I can get all of this. So you walk into the apartment and you can see the kitchen and the living room. So on this side you have your linen closet. The ceilings are really high, which is making it so hard for me to film right now. You have your coat closet, which is of course very tall. I don't know how I'm gonna reach up here. It does not come with the light, unfortunately, so I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna be able to see in there. Then over here you have the washer and dryer. It is stacked, which is really good because I feel my glass place wasted so much space. Washer, dryer, that's me. Stacked. It looks like very brand new appliances. Then of course you can move along and you have the regular utilities closet and your switches, turn everything on. Over here is the island, which is so this granite countertop. I mean, it wasn't the original one that I completely loved and wanted. The other one was like a gorgeous, like, what is it, marble countertop. So this I might change up and do my own like marble over it. But I mean, it's nice. It has like sparkly stuff on it. I don't know what they call it, but it's good. I completely love the light fixtures. I don't like this door be open. Sorry guys, I gotta close it. You come over here, and you have the washer and dryer, and the countertops. Like I was mentioning before, I'm not really a fan of these countertops. I will probably put something over it, because one I saw online was marble, but this one is not, unfortunately, so I'm gonna have to change that. And over here you have lots of storage. I love all the storage in the cabinetry. And pantry area. I mean, it's small. I'm gonna have to work out on making my stuff fit. And this is a very hard spot to get into for someone like me, but I love the fridge and everything. So yeah, it looks good. Of course, this is the living room. I might have to restrict on showing that. Okay, over here is the first bedroom. Looks amazing. It's pretty decent sized. Then I love these right here where they have the outlets right there, so you don't have to worry about charging multiple things. Then this right here is the kitchen. What in the world? This right here is the bathroom. Now this is the private bathroom. That's me, hey guys. I just got out of work, so that's why I look like that. It only has one sink in here. And then, of course, I love how this tile work goes all the way up. So this is the tub, the shower head. I don't know, people like to see the shower head. And over here is the linen closet. So decent size linen closet. And we have a good size closet. I don't know if you can even get the grasp of how large this closet is. It's good. It's perfect size because it's the same size as my current closet, so I'll be able to fit everything. And I like the light fixtures in here, and I love the fact that there's light fixture right there above the shower. So let's move on to the next one. So you come out this way and go this way to the next spot. And this room is more of the guest room slash office that I'm gonna have. So you have the double doors for your guests. You can go in this way for the bedroom. And it's the exact same floor plan. And then over here is the bathroom. This is identical. So you have the gorgeous light fixtures, the mirror. The bathtub is the same, everything's the same. And the door that leads you out there for guests, and the closet is exactly the same size. I don't know why this one feels bigger to me, but we'll see. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this empty apartment tour. I cannot wait to start decorating and just revamping and buying so much new things to make this apartment look amazing. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys.